Today I'm making rosehip orange vinegar. It's fruity, it's sweet, and it goes lovely with salads. You'll need rosehips, orange, or rather the peel of an orange, and white wine vinegar. First things first, give your rosehips a wash. Then make a few small cuts in each. This will allow the rosehip flavor out, but at the same time will keep the bothersome seeds in check. Now grab the orange and peel it. Scrape the white stuff as it tends to add a bitter note. Cut the peel into manageable pieces. Final step for now, add vinegar. I use the cheapest and thus weakest vinegar they have at the store, since that plays best with fruity flavors. Close the bottle and keep it away from direct sunlight. Shake the bottle every 2 or 3 days, and after 2 or 3 weeks, it's done infusing and ready to use. Let me know how yours turned out. Much love. Goodbye.